Hey everyone, welcome to the PD Knob channel. In this video, I'll show you 3 free ways to convert PDF to PowerPoint and make it fully editable. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips like this. Let's get started. The first method is using the free Adobe Acrobat Online. If you only need to change your PDF into a PowerPoint file format, this is the quickest way. However, if you need to edit the text and elements inside the PowerPoint file, jump to Method 2. First, search for Adobe PDF to PowerPoint. Open this website. Now simply upload your PDF file, click Convert, and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, download the converted file, and now you have a PowerPoint file. But here's something important to know. This method mainly changes the file format from PDF to PowerPoint. If your PDF contains scanned pages or image-based content, the content will still be treated as images, which means you won't be able to edit the text directly. So if you need a truly editable PowerPoint file, use the next method. The second method is using a dedicated PDF editor. For this example, I'll use PD Knob PDF Editor. I've left the free download link in the description, so you can get it easily if you want to try it. Open PD Knob PDF Editor, then go to the Convert feature. Find and open your PDF file. Before converting, PD Knob will ask whether you want to use OCR. It can recognize text inside scanned documents and images. This means the converted PowerPoint won't just contain pictures. The text can become editable. Next, select the output format. You can see there are multiple formats available here, which means you can use this feature to convert PDFs into other file types as well. For this tutorial, choose PPTX, then click Convert. After a few seconds, the conversion is complete. Now let's check the result. As you can see, the text is editable. Images are also editable, so you can move, resize, or modify the elements directly in PowerPoint. This makes it a better choice when you need to continue editing your presentation. The third method is using Microsoft Word. This method works best for PDFs with simple layouts. Open Microsoft Word. Then, simply drag and drop your PDF file into Word. Word will show a message asking if you want to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK. Now your PDF has been converted into a Word document. But we still need to export it as a PowerPoint file. You may notice that Word does not have a direct save as PowerPoint option. So we need to add this feature manually. First, click the small arrow at the top and choose More Commands. Make sure you are in the Quick Access Toolbar section. Then click the drop-down menu and choose All Commands. The commands here are sorted alphabetically. Scroll down and find Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it, then click Add. After that, click OK to confirm. Now this feature has been added to your Quick Access toolbar. Simply click it. Word will automatically open your document in PowerPoint, and the file will be converted into a PPTX format. So these are 3 free ways to convert PDF to PowerPoint. Choose the one that works best for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.